Hey everybody, happy Monday. My name is Eric Anthony and this is All Things MSP. Notice the new sign. So anyway, by the time you guys see this, it will be Monday. Today is Sunday, obviously. And I have not seen Endgame yet. My wife, on Mother's Day, is taking me to go see the movie this afternoon. So kudos to her, especially on Mother's Day. I didn't get to see it because I was at IT Owners Compass the weekend that it came out. And every time that we've had time to go see it, all of the tickets that were left were in that front row where you're, looking up like that at it. So totally not cool. But anyway, it's Monday morning for you guys, and I wanted to offer a little bit of motivation and kind of a to-do, something for you guys to think about this week and an actual action to take. So there's a lot of stuff going around, and we talked about it at IT Owners Compass about getting rid of clients that just aren't profitable and cause you more headache than they're worth. So the first thing I want you to do, and the first step you have to take in order to do that, is obviously make a list of those customers. So go ahead this week and make a list of those customers and why you need to get rid of them. Now, some of them might be salvageable. You might just need to have a conversation with them and say, hey, in order to be your IT service provider, in order to provide you with the best protection possible, I need you to adopt these tools so that I can be the kind of IT service provider that I am for the rest of my clientele. Now, some of them, they're just too much of a headache, and you'll need to just have a frank conversation with them and say goodbye. Now, the second thing I want you to do is make a list of all your current customers who aren't on that list and all of the tools that they are using and aren't using from your service offering. Now, the reason I want you to do this is because you need to start filling out that list and making sure that all of your clients are standardized across your packages as much as possible. Now, I understand there's a lot of people on break fix, and if you're making money on them, that's fine. You probably need to, and you've heard this a lot, raise your rates. But if they're still profitable and they're not a headache, that's okay. But in terms of your managed service customers, your regular business customers, you really need to get them on the right security plan, the right backup plan, all of those different things so that you can properly manage their IT environment. So do those two things for me this week. Make a list of customers that you have to get rid of and a list of customers and the service features that they need to adopt. So thanks a lot. Let's crush this thing. See ya. Oh wait, I'm going to see Endgame. Why don't we end it this way?